Alcohol's journey begins with that first sip. Once swallowed, it doesn't need to be digested like food. Instead, it's rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream. This absorption happens primarily in the small intestine. However, some alcohol enters the bloodstream directly from the stomach. The speed of this absorption varies. Having food in your stomach slows down the process. This is because food delays alcohol's movement into the small intestine. On an empty stomach, alcohol reaches the bloodstream much faster. Once in the bloodstream, alcohol travels throughout the body. It reaches every organ, including the brain. The effects of alcohol are felt quickly because of this rapid absorption and distribution. The liver is the body's primary detoxification center. It works hard to filter harmful substances, including alcohol, from the blood. The liver breaks down alcohol in a two-step process. First, an enzyme called alcohol dehydrogenase, or ADH, converts alcohol into acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is a toxic substance. It's responsible for some of the unpleasant side effects of drinking, such as headaches and nausea. In the second step, another enzyme called aldehyde dehydrogenase, or ALDH, comes into play. LDH converts acetaldehyde into acetate. Acetate is a harmless substance. The body can easily break it down further and use it for energy or eliminate it. Alcohol disrupts communication pathways in the brain. It does this by interfering with neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that carry signals between neurons. One crucial neurotransmitter affected is GABA, which has a calming effect on the brain. Alcohol enhances the effects of GABA. This leads to feelings of relaxation and reduced anxiety. At higher doses, however, GABA's effects become excessive, leading to sedation, impaired coordination, and even loss of consciousness. Alcohol also suppresses glutamate, the brain's primary excitatory neurotransmitter. Glutamate is involved in learning, memory, and cognitive function. By inhibiting glutamate, alcohol slows down brain activity, impairing thinking, judgment, and decision-making. Section 4. Intoxication and its Aftermath. Intoxication occurs when alcohol consumption outpaces the liver's ability to metabolize it. As alcohol floods the brain, it overwhelms the normal balance of neurotransmitters, leading to the characteristic symptoms of drunkenness. These symptoms can vary depending on factors such as the amount consumed, drinking speed, and individual tolerance. Common signs include slurred speech, impaired coordination, mood swings, and impaired judgment. As the liver continues to break down alcohol, the intoxicating effects gradually wear off. However, the body may still be dealing with the after effects of alcohol's toxic byproducts. This can lead to hangover symptoms such as headache, nausea, fatigue, and dehydration. Section 5. Individual responses to alcohol, a complex equation. While alcohol affects everyone, the intensity of its effects can differ significantly. Several factors contribute to these variations, including sex, genetics, and tolerance. Women tend to experience the effects of alcohol more strongly than men. This is partly due to differences in body composition. Women generally have a higher percentage of body fat and a lower percentage of water than men. This means that alcohol is more concentrated in their blood, leading to a higher blood alcohol concentration, or BSC, after consuming the same amount. Genetic factors also play a role. Genes influence the production and activity of enzymes involved in alcohol metabolism. Some individuals may have gene variants that make them metabolize alcohol more slowly, leading to a higher BSC and more pronounced effects. Section 6. Alcohol use disorder, a disrupted brain. Repeated and excessive alcohol consumption can lead to alcohol use disorder, or AUD, a chronic and relapsing disease characterized by an inability to control alcohol intake despite negative consequences. AUD is a complex condition with both genetic and environmental influences. Chronic alcohol use disrupts the brain's delicate balance of neurotransmitters. Over time, the brain adapts to the constant presence of alcohol, leading to dependence and tolerance. This adaptation involves changes in the number and sensitivity of neurotransmitter receptors. For instance, the brain may reduce the number of GABA receptors or become less sensitive to GABA's effects. This downregulation can lead to withdrawal symptoms such as anxiety, insomnia, and tremors when alcohol consumption is stopped. Section 7. Beyond biology, the impact of experience. While biology plays a crucial role in how our bodies process alcohol, it's not the only factor at play. Our individual experiences and past interactions with alcohol also shape our responses. Previous experiences with alcohol, both positive and negative, can influence our relationship with it. For example, someone who had a traumatic experience involving alcohol may develop an aversion to it. Cultural norms and social environments also play a significant role in shaping drinking behaviors. In some cultures, alcohol consumption is widely accepted and even encouraged, while in others it's strictly prohibited or frowned upon.